Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses and professional certification programs offered by IBM. And through these programs, you can learn about the trending technologies like data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and much more. And the best part is, you can also get a free certificate after completing these courses and professional certification programs. So before we see those things, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos. So let's see the courses one by one now. So the first one is IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate Program, which is offered by IBM, as you can see here. And this course is, this professional certification program is hosted on Coursera platform. And as you can see here, this is not an individual course. This professional certification program contains multiple courses. I'll just show you that. If you just scroll down and click on the courses, you can see here there are 6 courses in this professional certification program, starting from machine learning with Python, scalable machine learning on big data using Apache Spark, introduction to deep learning and neural networks with Keras, deep neural networks with PyTorch. And if you just click on show more, you will see remaining courses like building deep learning models with TensorFlow. And finally, you have a capstone project as well, which is AI capstone project with deep learning. So all these are individual courses, and after completing each of these courses, you will get a certificate. And at the end of this program, after completing this capstone project, you will get a certificate for this IBM AI engineering, which is going to be a professional certificate from IBM. And all these are industry recognized certificates, so it will be very much helpful for you during the interviews or whenever you switch jobs. It will be very useful. And here is the most important part of this offer, which we are seeing now. So how are we getting this for free? If you get this specialization, you will get 1 month. Here it is. Start this specialization and your first month of learning will be free. So if you enroll in this professional certification program today, you have to complete all the courses and get your certificate before 1 month, and then only you can get it for free of cost. And as you can see here, this is not a lifetime deal. This offer is valid only until 31 of December 2021, and that too only if the supplies last, which means there will be a kind of upper limit to the number of free enrollments. So if it reaches the limit, then you might not be able to get it in the future, even if it is before 31st of December 2021. So take it as soon as possible, and you have to complete the courses and get your certificate before 1 month. And it's a one-time deal, so make sure you are using it correctly and getting the right courses. So this is the first one, IBM AI Engineering Professional Certification Program, and there are other specializations available for you. Let's see it now. And the next one is Introduction to Data Science Specialization. And let's see what are the courses available for you in this particular specialization. So there are 4 courses in this specialization. Those are what is data science, tools for data science methodology, and databases and SQL for data science with Python. So you have these 4 courses in this particular specialization, Introduction to Data Science. And again, it is offered by IBM. As you can see, all the courses in this video are offered by IBM, so the content will be very good. And if you want to dive into data science, this is the right course for you. This specialization has been designed for beginners, so you can get into this and learn about data science. And the next one is IBM Introduction to Machine Learning Specialization. Again, this is for those who want to learn machine learning. This will be very helpful for you if you want to just get started with machine learning concepts. You can go for this. Let's see the courses available in this particular specialization. So you have exploratory data analysis for machine learning, supervised machine learning regression, supervised machine learning classification, and unsupervised machine learning. Again, in this specialization also, you have 4 courses. All these courses will give you introductory concepts to machine learning. And as I said, after completing each of these courses, you can get a free certificate. And at the end of the program, you can also get a certificate for this entire specialization. Next one is AI Foundations for Everyone specialization. Let's quickly see the courses. So you have 3 courses in this specialization. Introduction to AI, that is artificial intelligence, getting started with AI using IBM Watson, building AI powered chatbots without programming. So these three courses are available for you in this particular specialization. Let's move on to the next one, which is advanced data science with IBM specialization. So if you want to learn the advanced concepts, which will be a little bit complex, you can go for this course. I mean this specialization. Let's see the courses available in this one. So you have fundamentals of scalable data science, advanced machine learning and signal processing, applied AI with deep learning, advanced data science capstone. So you also have a project at the end of this specialization, which will give you that real world work experience. So this is advanced data science with IBM specialization. Let's move to the next one now, which is IBM AI Enterprise workflow specialization. This has been launched by IBM recently. So it's a latest technology, kind of latest one. Let's see the courses now. So here it is, AI workflow business priorities and data integration, AI workflow data analysis and hypothesis testing, feature engineering and bias detection, and machine learning visual recognition and NLP, and you have enterprise model deployment, and finally you have AI in production. So there are 6 courses for you in this AI enterprise workflow specialization. So let's move on to the next one, which is IBM AI Foundations for Business Specialization. So if you want to know how artificial intelligence has impacted and how it can impact business, you can go for this specialization through which you can develop skills like data science, artificial intelligence, IT architecture, data architecture, and a lot more. And here are the courses for you. There are 3 courses in this specialization: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, What is Data Science, and the AI Ladder, a framework for deploying AI in your enterprise. So there are 3 courses, as I said. So this is the last one. We have seen nearly 7 specialization, inside which you have 3 to 6 courses, and all these courses, all these specializations are entirely for free for 1 month. And now let's see how to enroll in these programs. And before that, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And do not forget to join our Telegram channel so that you will get instant updates about all our videos. So now let's go for this IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, and let's see how to enroll in it. So for that, we need a Coursera account. So just click on this join for free and just provide your details here and click on join for free, or else you can use your Google or Facebook account and create your account in Coursera. And if you already have account, you guys know how to enroll in it. Just click on login, give your details, and log into your account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see that here answers queue. So once you log into your account, just make sure you see this promotional banner, because only if you see this banner, you can get the courses and specializations for free of cost. And if you're using Coursera application, that is Coursera app in mobile, you will not see this banner. So make sure you are checking it in a browser like Google or Microsoft Edge or whatever it is. Make sure you are using a browser to get this offer. And as I said, this offer is valid only until 31st of December 2021, and it's a 1 month of learning for free program. So you will get only your first month of learning for free of cost. So if you're enrolling in the program, make sure you are completing it before 1 month and getting your certificate for free of cost. So once you are logged in, just click on this enroll button, and then you will see a pop-up like this. You can see here what are the things that you will get access to: practice material, graded assignments, certificates, 24/7 customer support. So all these things will be given to you. And as you can see here, your promotion will be applied at checkout. So you do not have to worry about it. It will be available for you for 1 month. You can just make use of it. Just click on this subscribe button and you will be directed to the checkout page. Wait a second, it is loading here. So here it is. And now you can see that the total price is given as 0. So you do not have to pay for anything now. And as you can see, this is only for the first month. And here they have given it in detail. Your card will automatically be charged after the promotion period. So which means if you are taking it today, which is 27th of June 2021, make sure you cancel this subscription on 26th of July or 25th of July, so that you will not be charged anything. And here they have given everything. Your card won't be charged if you cancel your subscription via my purchases before the promotional period, and there is no refund. So make sure you are canceling it before 1 month, and at the day of 30 or 29 you can just cancel it. And to cancel that, just click on your name here and go to my purchases section, and you can get to know how to cancel the subscription. So make sure you are doing that. Read these lines before giving your card details here and proceeding to the next section. So it is available for free for 1 month. Even if you complete the program, I mean, even if you complete the course or specialization in 1 week or 2 weeks, cancel it. Cancel the subscription so that you can save your money. So now to enroll in it, what you have to do is just give your card number and all of the details here and click on the pay now button. You will not be charged anything, as you can see here. Price is 0, so you will not be charged anything. Only after 1 month you will be charged. So make sure you are completing the specializations and courses before 1 month, and I personally recommend you to complete it within 20 or 25 days and cancel the subscription even before that. So this is how you need to enroll in these specializations in these professional certification courses for free of cost. I hope you like this video. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates about all our videos. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.